My name is Nicolas Alayo. I am a filmmaker, and this is why I create. I've always liked entertaining people since I was a kid. It would be like, how can I make someone laugh? How can I make someone smile or cry? And I think film was the easiest medium for me to recreate those stories or tell more stories visually and engagingly. The environment at JPCatholic has been fantastic to grow as an artist in. Because I'm with so many other people who are also growing as artists, it creates this environment where we are all supporting each other and all creating together and all failing together sometimes. When I look at a script, I always have a different take as opposed to how my director of photography sees it being shot or how my gaffer sees it being lit, how my actor thinks that their character would act. There's a bunch of different aspects in which you can tell this story. Filmmaking is such a collaborative art form that I think having all those perspectives is really beneficial. Not to be too poetic or rom-com about it, but I create because I want to strike an emotion in people. And I think that's kind of what I enjoy doing whenever I make a film. It's let me set a tone and let me make something meaningful for the audience to react to. My name is Nicolas Alayo, and this is why I create.